Hey there, and welcome to this video about Pin Funnels, the #1 Pinterest online course. So my name is Petra and I blog over at bigincomeparadise.com, and you might notice that it says Marketing Solved. Yes, Pin Funnels is not my own course. I didn't create it. I did invest in it, and this is the back office. So who created the Pin Funnels? Her name is Catherine Sullivan from Marketing Solved, and she's a queen of Pinterest, if you ask me. She is always updating this course. Whenever there's an update on Pinterest, she updates her course so that you get up-to-date strategies. And she doesn't teach only about Pinterest inside this course. That's why I love it, because none of the other courses that I invested in had so much information in. They were just teaching about Pinterest, right? But she's teaching also about lead magnets, landing pages, selling, and so much more. Okay, so we're gonna go through it, through the whole course. So we're on the dashboard. You can see Pin Funnels, welcome, and so on. So that's what you see up in here. So let's go to Pin Funnels 2.0. As you can see, it's the 2020 update because Pinterest updated their algorithm in 2020. When I'm doing this video, it's 2020. That's why you see this. But if you're watching in 2021, she's probably gonna update the course if, of course, there's gonna be something to update. So you see, you get so much inside. And inside some of this, let me just show you, Quick Start 2.0, there's one video, but if we go to Viral Pins 2.0, you get 3. So it's not always only one video, there's a lot more. So there's a welcome video. Okay, then Pintroduction, you get a lot more inside, as you can see. And bear with me because it's going to take some time for us to go through the whole course here. See? Then creating lead magnets. See what I'm saying? She gives you way more. She basically gives you a success step-by-step plan, because she doesn't just teach you how to get traffic from Pinterest, but also how to get leads on your, or actually email subscribers, and then convert them into sales, so customers. As you can see, landing pages, email lists, and so on and so on. Perfect Pins formula, again, part 1, part 2. Then promotions strategy. You get 3 parts, videos, Pinterest advertising. Again, there's so much inside. Then you get this. This is amazing, right? Because not a lot of people tell you how to sell and how to nourish your email list. See, she tells you everything. And then Tailwind automation, basically how to automate your Pinterest. This is especially good for us who are in Europe, because I am from Europe. My target audience is from America, and that means I would be awake the whole night pinning on my Pinterest if I wouldn't have Tailwind. So yes, she teaches you how to use it. She teaches you so much inside. Plus, you also get bonuses. As you can see, a video and then bonuses down here. So you don't only get videos, but you also get workbooks, PDF files, checklists, and so much more. Okay, so the link to this course is going to be down below, and when you click on it, it's going to send you here. So this is the sales page. Go through each and every single thing inside here. Really read through it so that you will understand how powerful Pinterest actually is and what you get inside Pin Funnels, although you just saw, right? But she is explaining everything in here. And I know you're wondering, what about the price? Is it worth $299. Now, before you run away and say, oh, that's too much, let me tell you why this is a low price. It's a low price because all of the other courses that I got, they were like $50 and up, but none of them was teaching about lead magnets, landing pages, how to sell, and so much more. Every single Pinterest course was talking about Pinterest marketing, right? But that's not enough for your success. So is this a low price? Yes, it is. It is insanely low. Okay, it's insanely low because you would invest way more if you would want to learn Pinterest marketing, lead magnets, landing pages, sales, and so much more. You would definitely invest way more. So I do suggest that you get it. And if you have any questions about this course, please let me know below because I am going to make sure that I respond to you and help you as much as possible. So thank you for watching this video. I hope you will love pin funnels because I'm sure you're going to get massive, massive, amazing results. So again, thank you for watching this video and see you next time.